Now I'm going to present my screen.
Okay.
Okay.
Is my screen shared? Tell me.
I can see screen, Miss Nancy.
Okay.
I can see it now.
Now I can see. Good. Fine. Who's living? Okay, so 3 are students present. Okay, so today I revised all the previous classes for 15 minutes to 10 minutes. Okay, then I will take a test. Okay. So you have any doubt? You have any query in regarding to the questions? You can ask everyone. You have any doubt?
No.
Like you have any doubt in multiplication or subtraction or addition? Is there any problem? Okay, good. Okay, so now you can solve for example, just for a quick recap, I tell you how to solve all these questions. For example, if you solve this question, okay, wait. Mm, tell me how many tables are you know, everyone?
I know at least
What?
I know at least 14, maybe 15.
You know 14, still 14.
14.
14, 15, okay, fine. And
Mhm.
you? 5 to 2, tell me. 5 to 2, tell me how many tables are you know?
Um, and everything.
Seriously?
What?
Are you know everything? Great. So can I take a test about like 2 to, can you write 2 to 12 tables?
What?
I mean, if I am saying write 2 to 20, 2 to 12 table
Yeah,
for a test, you can write or not for a test.
I can write that.
Okay, good. Okay, tell me 5 to 7,
25.
25. Wow, you are guys are fantastic. But listen to me. If I give you only for 10 minutes to 15 minutes, and not give you lots of time, you have to write only within 10 minutes tables, and I will give all, more questions, not like only giving you tables. I will also give you subtraction, multiplication, addition. So the quick recap is that you know about that the property of multiplication. You know that if we change the numbers of the product, the answer is remaining same. You know that?
Mhm.
For example, if I'm writing here 7 into 8, okay, and that is equal to what? 8 into 7. We can say this, and also we can say what we can say. 7 into 8 into 7 is what? Tell me.
8 and 7. 8 times 7 equals 56.
Yeah, so that is equal to what, the 56. Okay. You can see here we are changing for numbers. There is no problem to changing of the number. It's remaining same. Okay. So these are some important properties. If I'm talking about the multiplication, you can see here. You can see if I solve question now. Here we have a question. Let's solve this question. Right number. Okay. So 8 into 4 is
8 and 4 is 8 times 4 equals 32.
32. Which means we have to write 2.
You write 2 there, and then on top of the 3, you write a 3.
Okay. We know that here is writing 3. Okay, fine. 8 into 3 is what?
24.
Is 24.
24.
But we have to add 3 more.
27.
Yeah, it's become 27. So we have to write 7. And again, we have to write 2 here.
2.
So 8 into 2,
16.
16.
16.
Plus
Now we have to add 2. 20.
8.
18.
No, 16. We have to add 18. So we have to write 8 and
1.
1 is here. So 8 into 8 1 is 1. So we add 1 more. It becomes 9. That's it.
Yeah.
So is there any problem?
No.
No. So if I'm talking about the next thing, that is this is pretty easy. Now you can solve without writing in column manner. So you can solve this question. Second number. How to solve this question? Without writing your notebook. Without write in your notebook. How to solve this? So firstly, you have to write 0. Yes or no?
Yes.
You can see 0 comes in the last. So we have to write firstly 0. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now we have to multiply with 4.
4
4
times
into 5. 4 times 5. Okay, 5. What is 5? What we get?
20.
20.
30. We have to write 0. Now again we have to add 2. 4 into 3 is
4 to 3.
Is 12.
12, and we have to add 2 more. It becomes 14. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, fine. You can solve this. Okay, fine. I have a question. Maybe you can solve. If I'm not giving you that is subtraction or that is not addition, now you can solve without. Like I will give you a question. So tell the example this because I will give you already. I was already give you for the homework. Then tell me answer of this question. Where is the question? Solve question number 2.
Okay.
I'm already give you this question for the homework. Solve the question number 2. Is there any problem? Here is right. John pays 997 towards his school fee every month. Find the amount paid. Fee for every year. Have to two. You have to solve this question. Question number 2. What's your answer? Okay, let's. Okay, wait. I will check. Okay, you both are same. I think you both are same. Okay, you both are same. Very good. I will check you. I will check. Okay. I have minus. I hope you both are right. So what we have to do here? Tell me. Can you explain this question?
They said 997. And in a year, there's 12 months.
Let's check. Wait. 8 to 4. Wait. I will check. So what do we have to do? You have
99.7 money to sphere be in school every month. And in a year, there's 12 months. So you have to
okay.
997 times 12.
Okay, very good. You are solving very good. Everyone, you are correct. A part 2 you are also correct, and 5 3 7 you are also correct, and 8 to 4 you are also correct. Very good. So you know that what we have to do here, we have to multiply with 12. Okay, because that is talking about the every month. It means 997 is for a month. If we paid for a year, we have to multiply with 12. Okay, so now you can solve very good. So I hope you can solve each and every one question. Is there any problem? You can ask me because maybe I'm okay. All guys. So can I start a class? So can I start class?
Yeah.
I mean,
Miss Nancy,
yeah.
the screen is no, sorry, never mind.
Okay, so fine. So I'm give you your test. Okay, so fine. Okay, you are writing table 12. Great.
I did find
So
Tutu's job.
so I'm going to present my screen because here is homework for you. So here is question for you. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to present my screen and you have to solve this question. Wait. I can see. This is question for you. These are questions for you. Now your time starts now.
Miss Nancy, one of my questions. Sorry, something
I can't,
happened, and
I can't listen to your question. Wait for a minute. So you can again repeat your question. Tell me what you're saying.
Miss Nancy. So, someone is on hold.
I don't know who is in the hole. I don't know about that. Wait, I will check. So you can go if you want to. Are you saying you're holding up anyone in your home?
Someone can't join in the meeting.
Okay, who is that? I can't see and I don't know who is.
No, I don't know. I forgot.
Fine, we'll check it. No, here is no one. Yeah.
Oh,
There is no one. I don't know
that's
what's the problem.
It's kind of you.
Okay, let's take a start. Let's start the test. Now you can see
Yes.
this is just
Which are the questions?
these are the questions for you. These. It means that to solve. You can see here is writing 5. It means these questions are about 5 marks. Okay. And exercise 2.3. Here is 3 question. 3 question. You have to solve all questions. Uh, you can solve any two. Okay.
Okay.
I'm talking about. Wait. I'm talking about this question. You can see. You can see. You have to solve any two. Okay. And over in both of them, you have to solve any one. And this you have to solve any two. And in the multiplication, you have to solve any, not any. You have to solve this question and you have to solve this question. Okay. Is there any problem?
No.
Okay.
A, 3.
In the last, you can see here is right. There are 43 such racks in the library. Maybe that is cut here from the here. You have about 20 to 30 minutes for the solve test. We solve test. Remember that after solving all these questions, you have to take a picture and send me in a group. I will check and I will give you marks. Listen to me. Listen to me.
Yes.
Don't write full question. You have to write only exercise. You have to write only like exercise 2.3, question number 1 or question number 2. That's it. Okay. Don't write all full questions.
Wait, Miss Nancy.
Yeah.
So we only have to write one of the two and not both of the two.
Wait, I will tell you how to write. Like you have to write, for example, firstly we have to write. Listen to me. Firstly we have to write solution. Okay. After then, for example, like you have to write solution and I have to write A. For example, if you write A, first, A first. Okay. Just you have to write now it's answer here. Okay, that's it. Okay, don't write full question. Okay, for example, if you write exercise 2.3, write exercise.
Oh, so I shouldn't write the full question.
Don't write whole question. You have to write only solution. Okay,
Oh,
that's it.
I wrote the wait, do we have to write the story?
Actually, if you write already, that is no problem. If you not write, then don't write because they are taking too much time.
Okay.
You have to write only solution. Like you have to solve, like for example, anything. You have to write with the step by step. Don't write questions.
Okay.
Okay. But you have to remember that you have to write question number name. Okay. Like you have to write 1. Exercise 2.7. Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise, I can't understand which question are you solve.
Okay. Hmm. Mhm. Exercise 2.3.
In case one more thing. Oh my God.
Done.
You have to write table.
Oh, I didn't notice that. Okay.
You have to also write table. I'm also saying there 5 more marks.
I don't on the other page. Wait, I do have page.
After write table, if you finish your test, then you can take a picture of the test paper
Okay.
and send me in the group.
Okay.
Now you have only, I will give you 2 more minutes. So you have only 7 minutes now. 7 or 10 minutes. Mm.
I'm done.
Okay. Who is done? Raise your hand. 5 to 2, are you? Okay, so you can take a picture of your test paper and you can send me in the group and you can leave class. First of all, you have to take a picture of your test paper and send me in the group. And I will tell you the marks tomorrow.
Wait, tomorrow?
Maybe today. I mean, I will give you your marks, so I have to make a time for the test papers, for the checking test paper. Today I have not time for the checking test paper maybe, but I try to check today. Remember that you have to write neat and clean. Then make maybe. So, now you have only 4 minutes. So how many? Everyone done?
I'm almost done.
Okay.
I'm done.
So 537, 522. You have done.
Yeah.
So you can take a picture of your test paper, send me, and you can leave the class. Okay.
I did already.
Okay. And 537,
I'm done.
are you finished? You also take a picture of your test paper and send me in your group. In the group. Okay.
So can I leave now?
Yeah, you can leave. Take care.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, I am done, and I send it to the group. So can I leave now?
Right. Yeah, you can leave. Take care.
Bye.
Bye bye. So now 8 to 4, you have only 2 minutes.
Okay, okay. That's good. I guess I'm almost done. Ma'am, I'm done.
Good. Take a picture and send me in the group, and you can leave class.
I don't know how to take a screenshot, so I'm gonna leave the meeting, and I'll take a picture when I leave the meeting. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Take care.
Okay.
Next.